In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from New Outlook to Classic Outlook. If you prefer the familiar ribbon layout or rely on a plugin that works better in the older interface, switching back is quick, and you can always switch again later. Start with the New Outlook desktop app open on your computer, ensuring you are in the main Outlook window, not a pop-up. Along the top, locate the Help area. On Windows, it's usually a question mark near the upper right. On Mac, it's in the System menu bar. Click Help to open the menu. Look for the option labeled Go to Classic Outlook. This allows you to move out of the new experience. Click it, and Outlook may briefly pause or prompt that it's switching views. Your email, calendar, accounts, settings, signatures, and rules remain intact. They carry over to the Classic view on the same device. This change only affects the desktop app, not the web version. Before completing the switch, Microsoft may request feedback. A small window will appear asking why you're switching. Select the reason that fits best and optionally add a short note. Feedback helps improve both interfaces, but keep it brief. After selecting, complete the switch. Outlook refreshes into the Classic interface with the traditional ribbon, Classic reading pane, and familiar menus. All messages, folders, and calendars remain in place. If you later want to return to the new interface, you can use the Help menu again. If Go to Classic Outlook is missing, it may be managed by your organization or tied to a pending app update. Check back later or contact your IT admin. And that's it. With just a click in the Help menu, you can move from New to Classic Outlook while keeping everything intact, making it easy to work in the interface you prefer.